The Spark Wizard's Grimoire, a magical guide to mastering circuitry with electron technology blocks.
Magic must flow in a perfect circle through an artifact like the light bulb. Never connect the red door to the black door directly.
The first law of spark magic, the perfect circle. Magic must flow in a perfect circle. The red door, positive, where spark magic begins its journey. The black door, negative, the essential path home. The broken path, the forbidden spell. Never connect red directly to black without an artifact in between. This causes a dangerous magical overload, short circuit. Your magical inventory. The heart, the senses, the triggers, the outputs, the conduits. The bones of the build. Before casting spells, a wizard needs a strong foundation. 1. Base plate, your magical crafting table. 2. Connecting rods and pins, the skeleton that holds your conjurations together. 3. Gears and pulleys, wheels that transfer the invisible force of motion. The School of Light, the core spell, the RGB prism, X0405. Connect to R, G, or B to summon specific colors. Spell variation, the 7-color crystal, X07. Automatically shifts through the rainbow. Mastery, the Suncatcher, X20 to 22. The brighter the light you shine on it, the more magic flows through. The magic bridges, understanding resistance. 10 ohms, the wide bridge, low resistance, lots of energy flows. 1,000 ohms, the narrow bridge, high resistance, slows the energy down. Wizard tip, adding resistors in series makes the bridge even longer and harder to cross. The School of Motion. Turn invisible electricity into kinetic energy. Directional control, example 09 to 10. Use the joystick module. Pushing left or right reverses the flow of magic, spinning pulleys forwards or backwards. The Gust spell, example 13. Attach the propeller to the motor to become a master of wind.
The module emits invisible rays. When an obstacle comes within 20 centimeters, the rays bounce back.
The School of Senses, the invisible eye. Infrared module. Infrared sensing area. Infrared module. Less than 20 centimeters. Obstacle, child's hand. The core spell, X27 through 30. Infrared detection. The module emits invisible rays. When an obstacle comes within 20 centimeters, the rays bounce back. Triggering magic. When the module sees the bounce, it opens the magical gate, allowing power to flow. Used in proximity alarms, automatic fans, and collision avoidance vehicles. The School of Sound. M+ port, PS port. The Morse code transmitter, example 49. Use the switch module to tap out secret rhythmic messages. Voice activation. Sound becomes power. Clap your hands to trigger lights or start engines. The Echo spell. Toggle the switch to record your voice. Play it back like a magical parrot. The Wizard's Logic. And versus or. The Strict door. Switch A and switch B must both be activated to let the magic flow. Key. Photosensitive. The Friendly door. Activating switch A or switch B will let the magic flow. Key. Photosensitive. The Flow of Magic. Series versus parallel. Series circuit. Example 35. One single path. The magic voltage is divided, so appliances run weaker. If one breaks, the whole spell stops. Parallel circuit. Example 36-37. Multiple paths. Each appliance gets full power from the source. If one path breaks, the others keep working flawlessly. The Grand Conjurations. You have mastered the 95 base spells. Now, it is time to build the 15 grand conjurations. These 3D masterpieces combine the physical bones of the blocks with the magical circuits you've learned. Prepare to build cities, explore planets, and engineer machines. Theme 2, the Lunar Frontier. 10. Lunar Rover. Equipped with an infrared sensor and spinning radar dish to navigate alien terrain and dodge space rocks. 7. Solar Power Station. A stationary base using the motor to rotate tracking arrays. 8. High-speed car. A streamlined chariot built for maximum kinetic velocity across the craters. Theme 3, the Artisan's Workshop. 3. Stamping Press. Master gears and linkages. The motor rotates, causing the stamping arms to shake rapidly up and down. 12. Detection Drilling Machine. A heavy-duty rig that uses the infrared module to sense the ground and trigger the drilling motor. 1. Snowplow. A sturdy utility vehicle combining push-button motor control with directional steering. Theme 4. The Cyber City Defenders. 13. Drumming Robot. An automaton that converts rotary motor motion into percussive drumming action. 11. Urban Chariots. A sleek, dual-wheeled defender featuring the voice-controlled microphone and glowing USB lamp. 9. Extreme Speed Motorcycle. A chopper featuring the propeller fan and speaker module for a roaring engine effect. The Boss Build. Ultimate Command. Exercise 95. The true test of a master spark wizard. The spell? A massive parallel circuit linking 5 output artifacts simultaneously. The result? Because they are in parallel, every single module operates at full power at the moment the central switch is pressed. A dazzling display of total circuit mastery. Troubleshooting your magic. Is your spell fizzling out? Consult the ancient fixes. 1. The well is dry. Are your 3 AAA batteries fresh and facing the right way? Plus to plus, minus to minus. 2. The path is broken. Double-check your connections. Is the red wire strictly following the positive path? 3. The artifacts are loose. Ensure the physical modules are snapped firmly onto the base plate. Loose pins mean weak magic. Distance magic. The remote control. You don't have to touch your creations to command them. 10 meters. The link. The joystick controls the motor wirelessly. The range. The magic weakens over distance. Keep your remote within 10 meters and make sure the control surfaces face each other. Try it out. Build the remote control mixer, Model 15, to cast spells from across the room. How to read an ancient blueprint. The blueprint. The translation. Solid red lines. The path of positive energy, plus. Solid black/blue lines. The return path of negative energy, minus. The hubs. The 3x5 and 4x4 adapters. Magical power splitters allowing 1 wire to become 3 or 4. Always trace the path with your finger before turning on the power. Master of the spark. You have mastered the flow of electrons, commanded the forces of motion, and built machines that see, hear, and drive. The 95 spells and 15 grand conjurations are just the beginning. With the power of the circuit in your hands, what will you invent next? Go forth and create.